what problems you find that the companies, oh, you said you're getting a lot of calls that the people that workers will click on the links and then they're getting those problems. So when you go in, you're able to fix that for them?
I'm able to pinpoint where to fix the things.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't necessarily go in and fix it myself unless they're bringing me for an additional bank of hours.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot more time consuming. Plus, I actually work hand in hand with an IT guy. So a lot of people, and that's one of the problems I get also when I go approach companies to get tested.
Mm-hmm.
Their biggest comment is, no, I have an IT guy, I have it covered.
Mm-hmm.
But the misconception is that an IT guy is considered your family doctor. Would you ever ask your family doctor to perform laser eye surgery on you? Right? And most people would say no. So a cybersecurity specialist works hand in hand with the IT guy to help them find the problems and then tell them how to fix it. And it would be faster for them to fix it than me because they're in it day to day.
Okay.
So they could be in there. Here's an example. They could be in there setting up their backup strategy,
Mm-hmm.
but I can go in there with an audit and say, oh, well, the way you've configured it, we'll get this backup infected and encrypted with a ransomware.
Okay.
So we advise them how to fix it up.